This is Katina, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a balloon to help you get better hand position. So one of the things that we talk about a lot as clarinet players is this nice round finger position. This helps us play faster, more accurately, better in tune, and with a better sound as well. You want to be covering the holes with the fleshy part of your pad of your finger so that you have no leaks, no little spaces here. Usually I can see it when I'm teaching, there'll be a little black line. So what you want to do is take a balloon and blow it up. That one was a little hard for me. So about the size, for me, I'm going to do about a golf ball size. Everybody's hands are different, so you may have to do a little bit of experimenting to find just the right size for you. And then you're going to put it in the palm of your hand against your clarinet, and that will help lift up your fingers. I had to move mine a little bit more forward for me. And then I have another one over here for my left hand. And do you see how it's just naturally lifting my fingers? And what's nice about the balloon is you have a little bit of give if you want to squish into it. So that is how you can use a balloon to get better hand position. Thanks for watching. Bye. Was really sick. Oh my God.